Hi, welcome to Upskilling in PowerPoint. Today I want to show you how to recolor graphics. And I'm going to take you through two demos. One is just with a simple infographic and one is with an illustration. Now, the first thing you want to make sure is whatever you're trying to recolor is an SVG, which is a vector graphic. You do not want to use a PNG or a JPEG as it will not work. So once you've uploaded your graphic, you want to go up to Graphics Format, Convert to Shape, and notice it splits it into individual shapes. I like to just really quick come in and group these together. Once you do that, it's just a matter of clicking in and into your section and recoloring nice and fast. And you're done. Let's go on to an illustration. It's the same concept. Again, it needs to be a vector graphic, an SVG file, and not a PNG and not a JPEG. So we're going to do the same thing. We go up to Graphics Format, Convert to Shape, and you'll notice a lot more shapes because this is a more complicated illustration. We can do the same thing, just right click, group it together, and then just start clicking in, and you can just start making changes. You can also hold down your Shift key. This is something, just speed up the process like you would in any other kind of design. And you can change the guy as well, changes everything about him. So I'm going to just zoom in. I'm going to get his beard. And if you're not sure, you're like, I want it to be exactly that. For people, if you're doing by brand, for clothes, background, stick with your company's color palette. For people, you want to be a little more realistic. So sometimes what I will do is just grab the eyedrop picker, go over here, sample the color I want, click OK, and we have that changed. And you can do the same thing if you want to change the skin color. And that's a wrap. That is how we do it. Simple, quick, easy way to change your infographics, vector graphics, and recolor them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.